Hi, Nathan from EquipGo here, bringing to you today an overview of our 200S fuel filter range. 200S fuel filters range from small 67 litre per minute elements up to 90 litre per minute elements, and then dual flow filter assemblies at 130 litres per minute. All models are suitable for diesel and petrol, so we'll have something to suit your application. We've got a photo of it up on the screen. This is our standard 67 litre per minute. Very basic 10 micron, has a small drain cock for any fluid that you might find settling in your diesel. And as you notice on the 25mm BSP threaded filter head at the top, we've also got bolt hole assemblies for very simple mounting into existing systems or new systems. Options come available in standard particulate filtration for rust and other gunk that might be in your fuel, as well as water blocking assemblies to take out any condensation should you find that problem there. We've standardised on 10 micron. We feel that modern equipment, this is the minimum filtration you should meet. We also have 2 micron options available though for anyone that's running common rail diesel equipment, anything like that that does tend to suffer if the fuel's not very clean. They're very basic spin-on, spin-off design, so very quick to take off if you do need to replace. They always come with a replacement sealing O-ring on new elements as well. As you can see down here, we've got the full range shown, and for all other elements in the range, we have full spec sheets, as you can see, full dimensions, flow charts, and a little bit more detail on them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.